The leave management system is an essential tool that streamlines the process of employee leave requests and approvals. With this system in place, employees can easily apply for leaves, while managers and HR can efficiently manage and approve these requests. This is Christopher, and he is thinking about his upcoming event. He decided to go to HR and tell him about his leaves, but he is worried that HR will not approve his leaves.
I want 10 leaves together because my sister's wedding is around the corner, and these days I can't manage my professional work with my personal responsibilities.
You can't take 10 leaves together because you have your work dependencies, and I can't allow you 10 leaves altogether. And your leave quota is nearly depleted.
How? I know I had 15 leaves left, and you didn't record it correctly. It's entirely your responsibility.
I have the proper record, and I'm telling you don't have enough leaves.
How's it possible?
Hey guys, hold on. If you've incorporated Workplace Check-in in your office, these hurdles would not arise. By assimilating a Workplace Check-in tool, a company may avoid such conflicts between employees and HR. You just need to log into the Workplace Check-in. Click on the leaves. It further has 4 options in which every single tab can provide you with enough detail related to leaves. Then click on the Add Leaves option. In this bar, you'll select the option step by step. On the top of the screen, the rules for applying the leaves are also defined. Firstly, in the leave type, you have more options. You can select one of the given options as per your requirement. The next option is the request type. In the request type, you have 2 options: paid leaves and unpaid leaves. Paid leaves are basically the leave quota generated by the company. Unpaid leaves will result in a salary reduction. Also, it has options for full day, half day, and quarter day leave. You can apply accordingly. Enter the date on which you apply for leave and also enter the date of ending your leaves. The most important section always adds the reason so that the top management would know why the employee needs leave. And the end just clicks on the Save button and your leave request is sent successfully. Meanwhile, the HR manager will receive your request notification and approve it on time. This is how Workplace Check-in saved management and employees from the chaotic environment. Now the next option is the leave history. This tab contains a report of an employee's leave record, including the types of leaves, dates, reasons, and leave status. Now click on the leaves type. Employees may conveniently track all types of leave quotas under this tab. In addition, employees can also identify how many leaves are remaining. Click Holidays. This section contains a detailed chart of all public holidays, from the dates to the number of scheduled holidays. Furthermore, it's easy to apply leaves for employees, and HR manager can keep a proper leaves record. Also, they can edit and update the leave quota of all employees without any chaos.